Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how to getting a song in the CapCut apps. So I already have one clip that will be added, and to get the song you are just going to click the audio, select sounds. So you can get a song from the TikTok, you can get a song from your files, from your video is using extracted feature here to extract the sound from the video, and you can also get a song from the CapCut available here. Just download it and add to the track. So for example, I'm going to add the song available here. Just add to the track. So you can see this song has been added to the clip. So that's how you can getting the song on the CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.